Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to turn an oversized t-shirt into a fitted dress. So this is how it is all looking. So let's get right into the video. So this oversized shirt I got from Five Below, and I got it in a size extra large just so everything can fit the way it needs to. And so I'm just taking a dress that I already owned. I got this out of my closet, so I'm basically just going to used my dress as a template and just cut the shirt into that same shape, size, and make it look just like that. So you will see me taking some sewing scissors and basically cutting around the dress on the shirt, and yeah, you're gonna see me doing that right here. So once I'm done with that, you are basically going to see me flipping the shirt inside out, and then I'm just going to pin both of the sides of the shirt or the dress with some sewing pins, and then I'm basically just going to sew both of the sides down. So once I'm done pinning the sides down, I am going to go to my sewing machine and I'm going to do a straight stitch to both sides of the dress. And so here I am sewing, and like I said, I'm just doing a regular straight stitch, nothing special. Always make sure to back stitch at the beginning and at the end of each stitch. Once I finished sewing both sides of the dress, I actually did not go and hem the armholes or nothing like that because it's actually not necessary. It's not going to unravel or anything after you wash it, so you should be fine. So once I'm finished doing that, I am going to flip it back right side out and just show you a little preview of how it's looking before I put it on. So I did find some matching socks at Five Below and thought it would look great with the dress. So you will all see how I paired this outfit off and all of that. So this is what my outfit is looking like, and this is how the dress looks on me. So you will see the socks that I decided to pair them with. I decided to go with the dinosaurs, and then you will see that I paired them with my white feelers. So this is the complete look. This is how the dress came out. Really fun, simple, and very quick, beginner friendly. And yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and suggest any more videos down in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video.